Hello guys, in today's episode we talk about science and human body. The human body is a complex, highly organized structure made up of unique cells that work together to accomplish the specific functions necessary for sustaining life. There is some type of people who like to push human body to their limits, exposing their body at extreme temperatures, but not everyone can do that. In next video you are gonna see girl who first time get in the ice water, and her strange reaction.
Control your breath. Sink down.
It's supposed to reduce inflammation.
I did not know that you educated that much about human body.
I just read everything on the some shady website.